Welcome back to another video. So today I will be playing Brawl Stars with my cousin. We're just inside like a loading screen. So there's this thing behind. Alright, so we are gonna be playing basketball, and I'll be using Buzz, of course, because I really want to rank up my Buzz higher. He's right now like rank 15. I want to rank him. Oh, oh, I hate this lag. It's so bad. Alright, so see me on Edgar. Alright, let's go. Nice. Yo! He did score 3.0, which is bad, guys. So, oh no, oh no, I missed him. Oops, I'm lagging a lot. Alright, so let me see. Okay, go get the ball. So I'm gonna be protecting him. Alright, go. Sheesh, this guy's good. Alright, so I'm gonna go use my super to Buzz. Alright, this guy has to die today. Come on. Oh, my cousin's not good at this thing. Done. Alright, so all I want them to do is kill Caden. Okay. I'm gonna just respawn real quick. No, I lost. Yeah, I think they're gonna probably win this game. No doubt. Like, there's no. Go get the ball. Go. I wanted the ball. This guy's aiming is trash. Yes, he scored at least. That's good. Alright, so. Ugh, my super sometimes just doesn't work. I don't know why. Let's go. You wanna go on me? Oh. Done. Good one else. What? No. Alright, so now I gotta go. No way he just scored that. No. Yeah, we're dead. I gotta score something like that. Come on, dude. No. Oh, dang it. We were just an inch close. Oh, no. Yeah. But I have to use Buzz to rank him up. That's the only bad thing about this. Alright. So. Alright, he's gonna use Colt. Oh, guys, we have our stuff tied. But no, I'm better because I have him power level 8. He has Colt power level 7, but we have it the same thing. 307 wins, and rank 15. But I have him power level 8 for Buzz. He has power level 7 for Colt. So I'm higher. No. Yeah, like when he says, I was a trombone player. Kind of funny. Like, what do you mean? We don't care if you're a trombone player. Alright. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Ooh. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I was a trombone player. Like, what? Does that get you out of jail or something? Just to say I'm a trombone player. Yeah, if anybody touches my floaty, they know it. They already know it. Alright, so, we want our Shelly to get beat up like you just did. Certified lifesavers. Alright, so, no, did they just score? Oh, 86 damage. Alright, I gotta defend. Nani, Baldur's doors. I like how his name is. He also says all the time. He always says. I like how Ball says Baldur's doors. It's kind of nice. Nah, boy, you putting too much pressure on the boy. I was a trombone player. Alright, so now I have to go. I am a certified lifesaver. Like, I don't even know what that means, bro. That means, bro. Dang it. Yeah, this is a stupid suit that I have to wear for my business. No! What was the coat doing? Damn. We lost. Vocation. Alright, so I'm gonna go. What is my. He's typing. Alright, so guys, that will be the end of the video. I'll see you guys inside the next video. Bye.